Guys, most welcome to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. Hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, you will see the cast and releases of most famous new drama, Chinese drama, step by step love. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So guys, let's enjoying the video. His day name is Zhao Zhiwei. His date of birth is August 8, 1994, and he is currently 29 years old. Her stage name is Hanna. Her date of birth is February 19, 1994, and she is currently 30 years old. His stage name is Chang Bin. His date of birth is November 14, 1998, and he is currently 25 years old. Her stage name is Nimi Shi. Her date of birth is November 27, 1999, and she is currently 24 years old. His stage name is Hu Bowen. His date of birth is September 20, 1998, and he is currently 25 years old. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that, and take care. Bye bye.